Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Sienna brake light. This is a straightforward repair that you can complete in about 15 minutes, saving you time and money. Before we begin, gather your tools, including a 10mm socket and a new 7443 dual filament bulb. Remember to prioritize safety by turning off your vehicle and engaging the parking brake. Now let's access the tail light assembly. First, open your Sienna's rear liftgate. You will see two bolts securing the tail light housing. These require a 10mm socket to remove. After removing the bolts, carefully pull the entire tail light assembly straight backward, away from the vehicle. This action releases the two alignment pins, allowing the assembly to detach without damage. With the tail light assembly removed, you can now access the faulty bulb. Locate the brake light bulb socket, typically the larger one, and twist it counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Gently pull the old 7443 bulb straight out from its socket. Take your new 7443 bulb and firmly push it into the socket, being careful not to touch the glass with your fingers, as oils can shorten its lifespan. To finish, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light housing and twist it clockwise to lock it securely. Carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting points and push it straight back into the vehicle until the clips engage with a firm click. Reinstall the two 10mm retaining bolts and tighten them snugly. Finally, have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.